Yes, good morning and welcome back to my channel, which goes by the name of Hajways. Today I've brought you here to the Trafford Park, which is right in front of us there, and I'm starting this recording right on top of the Trafford Bridge.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your mind. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
Salford is just next to Manchester. It's massive, as I've said always, but it's just separated by, as I said, just a foot bridge on this side.
You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
And that's the footbridge that we're going to go to, but well, it's closed way. They've locked it for some reason. I don't know why. I guess it's because of security. No, there's construction going on right there, if you can see, and that's why they might have closed it for security purposes. Right, so on this other end we would have some quite a number of residential buildings like this one here, massive. Imagine living up there right on the top. You have views of the entire Manchester. Beautiful. Again, ¿puedes abrir un poquito de vídeo? Bueno, I've met some people from Spain. I used to live in Spain before, for those who have been watching my videos, and well, relocated here. There's so many lovely Spanish people around here, and it's always a pleasure to meet people here away from home, because Spain is home for me as well.
Where are you from in Spain?
Madrid.
Oh, Madrid.
Yeah. Where are you from?
I'm from Valencia.
Valencia. Okay, I'm going to speak a bit of Spanish because it's an opportunity now for me to practice. Yo vivía en Madrid, pero tengo amigos en Valencia también, en Sagunto.
Hostia, de ahí soy yo y vivo en Moncófar, en el Castellón.
Sí,
justo
pues,
un poquito más arriba.
Pues he estado muchas veces yo en Sagunto, sí. Así que nada, le mandaré el vídeo a mi colega para que lo vea. Que seguramente
¿Cómo te llamas en YouTube? O?
Hajways.
Hajways.
Sí, ahora te doy el
Instagram. Ahora buscamos.
Sí.
Claro.
Y ahí pues to be able to call home if you are capable of paying for it, because it's not one of the cheapest areas to live, and this would be the tram station. So we are going to adventure and go this side and see what's there. I've always passed by this place from the main road, but I've never come in here to visit, so definitely it's a very good discovery.